My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted extension from the Google Chrome browser, and this extension is called downloading files. The developers of this extension indicate that this extension enables you easily and quickly download multiple files from website. But in reality, the problem with this extension is that it may function as adware. Once installed, the extension may start displaying pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the websites that you visit. Another problem with this extension is that in most of the cases people download and install it unintentionally. So if it was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser without your permission, we strongly advise that you remove this particular extension as soon as you can. Otherwise, you may start getting a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So we recommend you to remove this extension, and this is how you can do it manually. In your Google Chrome browser, access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find this particular extension called Downloading Files, disable and remove the extension. I would also recommend that you additionally investigate your system and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start carefully researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.